Kariobangi Sharks Football Club have made an entry into continental football for the first time in their history after winning the 2018 Shield. Sharks finalists in last year's Shield dispatched Sofapaka 3-2. In the 27th minute, they took the lead through George Abege. Then it was Steven Waruru who restored parity for Sofapaka in the 43rd minute.
It wasn't alone Sydney, but the momentum the 11 players had, maybe that gifted Sydney a goal. But basically, I believe it's all the players. I wouldn't really like to mention one player alone, but I believe they all worked well.
We came here wanting to win, but unfortunately we have lost. But the team played the way I wanted. They tried, we created chances, they converted some, but at the same time they made some silly mistake, then we conceded.